Remove Gmail account from computer. So guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how can remove your Gmail account from your computer browser, or you can say Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you in this my desktop. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I already log in with my account, you can see. So if I want to delete this account, okay, so I have to first log out all account. I already log out, but if in order to remove, I have to log out. But if you have profile, okay, sometimes we create profile, different profile from Chrome browser. But I will show you how you can remove profile. Just click on this, and here you can see your all profile, which is when you click on it will be open with a different you know browser. So you can delete it. Just okay, you have to click on profile and click on this gear icon, and now you can delete it. Just click on this three dot and you can delete from here. This is Chrome profile. You can say with the Chrome profile you can separate all Chrome stuff. So this is first separate stuff. If you have separate stuff, you can remove from here. But if you have login multiple account in same profile like me, so I can remove it. For that you have to first log out, guys. Log out all. Okay, there is another trick I will show you after that. First I will show you how you can remove it. So when you log out all email, okay, first you have to log out. So it will be log out now. Okay, and now you can see all email has been logged out. Now go to click on remove an account, and here you click on the option the remove, then you can see the red minus point. Just click on it. If you want to delete this, remove this account, just click on it, it will be removed. Okay, so that is how you can remove. So another way, if you have multiple account login with your Chrome browser, and if you want to remove only one account, so and you don't want to log out all account for remove one account, so you can do the one trick. You have to log in this account with a different device, like you can log in with a different computer, laptop, or mobile. So which log in with account which you want to remove from this device. So first log in with the different device with the same account. Now go to the manage Google account. Okay, and go to the data and privacy. Just scroll down. So go to the security with different device, and you can find the your device or all device. Go to the manage device, and from here you can delete this device. Okay, so just click on it and you can sign out the particular account. Okay, so if you want to sign out this account from this device, okay, your first device, so first device you will see the this option. Just click on it and you can sign out. Okay, so only one account will be signed out. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.